In this video, we're diving into one of the most requested topics, passive income ideas that actually work in 2025, whether you're looking to supplement your salary, build long-term wealth, or finally achieve financial freedom. This video is for you. By the end of this video, you will have actionable strategies to start earning money while you sleep. Let's get started. 1. Real estate investments. Let's kick things off with one of the most tried and true methods for generating passive income: real estate investments. This has been a go-to for many wealthy individuals for decades, and it's still as powerful ever in 2025. Real estate offers several ways to earn passive income, from rental properties to real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. The goal here is simple: you buy property, rent it out, and enjoy a steady stream of rental income. Not only does real estate provide cash flow, but the property itself can also appreciate over time, growing your wealth even more. But what makes real estate such a powerful passive income stream? The main factor is that you're leveraging other people's money. For instance, tenants pay your mortgage, and as your property value increases, so does your equity. The more properties you own, more cash flow you generate. Take Grant Cardone, for example. Grant is a multi-millionaire real estate investor, known for his huge portfolio of over 8,000 units across the United States. He invests in large multi-family buildings, and his strategy is to generate cash flow from rent, while also profiting from the long-term appreciation of properties. This kind of real estate investment requires a solid understanding of the market and capital to get started, but the returns can be massive. Here's a quick example of how real estate can work for you. Let's say you buy a single-family home for £250,000. You finance 80% of the purchase price with a mortgage and the remaining 20% with your own cash. Now, if you rent the property for £2,000 a month, that gives you an income stream. After subtracting mortgage payments, maintenance, and property taxes, you still make a healthy profit every month. Of course, one downside to real estate is that it requires a significant upfront investment. But if you're looking for a long-term, relatively stable passive income stream, real estate is still a solid choice. Now, if you don't have the capital for direct property investments, you could consider REITs, real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in real estate portfolios without buying physical properties. REITs pay dividends, making them an excellent option for generating passive income with a smaller initial investment. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in that pay dividends is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income in 2025. And the best part is that you don't have to be an expert in the stock market to get started. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay regular cash payouts to shareholders. These dividends are typically paid quarterly and can range anywhere from a few cents to several dollars per share, depending on the company. A good example of someone who has mastered this strategy is Warren Buffett, the legendary investor behind Berkshire Hathaway. Warren has long been a fan of dividend-paying stocks. His portfolio includes companies like Coca-Cola and American Express, both of which consistently pay high dividends. Imagine you've invested $100,000 in dividend-paying stocks that offer an average 4% yield annually. That would generate $4,000 in passive income every year. It's not about timing the market. It's about buying high-quality companies that have a history of paying dividends and holding them for the long term. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that not all dividend stocks are created equal. Look for companies with a strong track record of increasing dividends over time. Some of the best performing dividend stocks include companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's. Another strategy with dividend stocks is DRIP, dividend reinvestment plans. Instead of receiving cash, you automatically reinvest your dividends to purchase more shares. This compounding effect can dramatically increase your wealth over time. 3. Peer-to-peer lending, which has gained a lot of traction in recent years and is still relevant in 2025. This method involves lending money to individuals or businesses online through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper and earning interest on your loan. Peer-to-peer lending cuts out the middleman, the banks, and connects you directly with borrowers. As a lender, you can choose the risk level you're comfortable with and earn interest on the money you lend. The interest rates are typically higher than traditional savings accounts or CDs. An example of someone leveraging this method for passive income is financial expert and author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. He has often discussed alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending as a way to generate passive income. While this is a more hands-on investment, the rewards can be substantial if you choose your loans wisely. Let's say you decide to lend £5,000 through a platform like Lending Club. The average interest rate on loans is around 6 to 10%. If your loan portfolio performs well, you could be looking at £300 to £500 sterling in income annually, just from lending your money, but of course peer-to-peer lending does come with some risks. Borrowers may default on their loans, so it's important to diversify your lending portfolio and invest in higher quality borrowers. If you do your research and spread your investment across multiple loans, peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative source of passive income. 4. Creating online content. If you are into creating, the internet has made it easier than ever to generate passive income by creating content, whether it's a blog or YouTube contents. One of the most notable examples of the successful content creator is Pat Flynn. He's the founder of Smart Passive Income, a website dedicated to teaching people how to build passive income through online businesses. Pat generates passive income through his blog, affiliate marketing, and podcasts. Similarly, YouTubers like Mr. Beast with millions of subscribers earn revenue through ad placements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. While the initial effort to build an audience may be significant, once you have a sizable following, YouTube can be an incredibly profitable passive income stream. Imagine you're making £3,000 per month from YouTube ad revenue. Even if you didn't create a single new video for months, the old content could still generate income as people continue to watch. And that's the power of content creation. You put in the work once, and it can continue paying off long-term. But content creation isn't limited to YouTube. With blogging, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, you can also create streams of passive income. 5. Creating and selling an app. If you have an app for coding or can hire someone who does building a mobile app can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs, like the creators of Instagram and WhatsApp, started with simple apps. While creating an app may seem like a massive undertaking, it can be incredibly lucrative if you identify a niche with a demand. Take the creators of Instagram, for example. They built an app that allowed people to share photos, and they monetized it with ads. Fast forward a few years, and Facebook bought the app for a whopping $1 billion. Even if you don't sell your app for billions, you can still make money through app download loads, in-app purchases, and subscriptions. Let's say your app generates £5 per user month. If you get 10,000 users, you could be looking at £50,000 a month in passive income. 6. Online courses. If you're an expert in a field, create an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to sell your knowledge. For example, a First Steps course priced at £50 can attract beginners while giving you healthy profit. Margin. 7. Ebooks. Writing an ebook is another great option. Diamond Lee, for instance, earned $20,000 in 2 months from her first ebook launch. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a popular platform to get started. 15. Printables and templates. Design planners, wedding invitations, or resume templates and sell them on Etsy. These products are cheap to create and can generate £1,000 to £2,000 monthly for established shops. 9. Short-term rentals. If you have a spare room or property listed on Airbnb with proper management, you can earn £1,000 to £2,000 monthly, especially during peak seasons. 10. Parking spaces and storage. Rent out unused parking spaces or storage areas through platforms like Neighbor or Spacer. One creative property owner earned £6,000 by renting out his yard space over several years. Whether you're into real estate, stocks, lending, content creation, or even building an app, there are plenty of ways to make money while you sleep. Just remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and a strategic approach. But with patience and persistence, the results can be life-changing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, letting me know which passive income idea you're most excited to try. And as always, thank you for watching.